I played around off screen trying to give you something different to look at here. Building out our custom workspace. Window, character. Now in Illustrator, it's window, type, and then you fly out and go down to character. But in Photoshop, it's just sitting right here. And the character panel, I don't know if yours is going to do this. If it's going to drop right here. I'll pull this thing out of that little spot. I'll pull paragraph out because we're not really going to use, well, we're not going to use paragraph in Photoshop at all. We'll use Illustrator for that. InDesign's actually a better tool, but we're going to stick to Illustrator for now. I want this character panel to go right underneath history, but I want to add to it. I want to go Window, Glyphs, and the Glyphs panel is stalling. This file's over 2 gigabytes. This is huge. Glyph panels open up, and I want to drag the glyphs into the character panel. So we've got those two things together. Now we can keep organizing this, but what I want to do is grab this by the top, not by one of these two little tabs right here. And let's stick with character, and we'll talk about glyphs later. But I want to grab this handle and then move it over here underneath the actions. Not a blue line here, not a blue line here, not inside this little rectangle, but right below it. Those are the 4 ways we could have added that little panel set here. We want it underneath actions, not within actions, and certainly not in another column. Now, we can continue to build and build and build, but what's important is you come right here and save your workspace. And the only way to save it is to say New Workspace. And if for some reason you don't see that right there, it's under Window, Workspace, New Workspace, and we want to name it the exact same thing. I don't know what you named yours. My workspace is SCO that I use. I'm just going to call this Demo again. Hit return. It says it already exists. Yeah, I want to replace it. And now, if everything goes wrong, oh no, what have we done? Everything's broken. And oh no, we'll close this and this. All we got to do is come up to Window, Workspace. We're on Demo, and we can just say Reset Demo. And it puts everything back where it was. And it remembers the prior settings. So you get however long that was. Why don't we open up history so it's nice and long, so that next time we open it up, it's going to be just as long. Got it? Custom workspaces are your friend, and not just in Photoshop and Illustrator, whatever Adobe apps you're using, and most other applications, well, sophisticated applications will let you save out customizations as well. Always good to know.